and Integrity Committee PIC Convener Chingakham Meghachandra has stated that the demand to update NRC might have already been met if the state legislators had shown the same sincerity they displayed during the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Meghachandra was speaking to reporters on the sidelines of a human chain demonstration at Kyamgai to demand NRC update for Manipur. The protest was jointly staged by PIC, the Old Kyamgai Nupi Chauka Thaurang Lup, the Basikong Kongba Irong Youth Development Club, and the Basikong Kongba Irong Meira Paibi. During the demonstration, protesters raised slogans against the government's plan to hold a census before updating NRC. Speaking further, Meghachandra urged the government to respect public sentiment and act swiftly. He demanded that the state's NRC be updated before the census begins, while announcing that PIC is ready to back future public protests for the cause.
Manipur ki aduma na atho bojing to mai to mani leba ki dumda si to mani araga mone hu to ri sidi adu ta ga de mo ge to mo na haidu wona dra haibi ko se dun lak sa je dun le na yam thu wa thu matam da ina si di phat to ya ha se ina se kano se agar census di phat to ya ha se census 1940 ai ki ek ki batu mine census pam tho puni ko gi sai tra ta ku dingi adu na sida da ek sida article number section number 3 da palli ka hain palli state to the akoi mahong lampok leiba disaster like national calamity leiraba adagi ama gamak changkhop jin to ya draba lambi thong phatraba adu lena tina akan ba leiragadi sensitive different to ya hamni adu hoji manipur dadi akoi ama gamak sanna ba yadri ama gamak sanna ba yadri ama even buji tawri be ngarang na hada sum mai thari ngarang date 11 ta pung mapam khai ta matam da to mayam press ki sinau sin du kangbi le leiriba mayam sin maram orakanda different to wa se maram chai masida kayumba different to da bataradi akan ba mayam na sangala kada ihong sida amga tok se ihong sakela kani